Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a fascinating case study that underscores the importance of genetic testing in diagnosing muscle disorders. Let's talk about Limb-Girdle Muscular Dystrophy, or LGMD, through the real-life story of a 35-year-old patient. Our patient started experiencing muscle weakness in his lower limbs, but he had no significant past medical history to suggest a cause. Intriguingly, his sister had similar symptoms, hinting at a potential genetic link. Given the patient's age and family history, the medical team went for a thorough diagnostic approach. They conducted a detailed clinical examination and decided on further investigations to pinpoint the underlying cause. The family history turned out to be a crucial clue. The presence of similar symptoms in his sister strengthened the suspicion of a genetic disorder. This prompted the doctors to conduct a genetic panel test focusing on genes associated with LGMD. LGMD, for those of you who don't know, is a group of genetic disorders that primarily affect muscles around the hips and shoulders. It's not very common, but it can be quite debilitating. The genetic test results came back with a significant finding, a mutation in the calpain gene. This confirmed the diagnosis of Calpainopathy, a type of LGMD caused by mutations in the KPN3 gene. Now, the KPN3 gene provides instructions for making a protein called calpain-3, which plays a vital role in muscle function. When there's a mutation in this gene, it can lead to muscle weakness and degeneration, as seen in our patient. This case highlights the importance of considering genetic testing for patients with muscle weakness, especially when there's a family history of similar conditions. It also emphasizes the role of genetic counseling in guiding patients and their families through the diagnostic process and subsequent management. All right, that's all for today. If you found this case study interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more medical insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.